morning, friends. It is Running Kimono here, and we are looking at the best paper deals at Walgreens for the week of February the 15th to the 21st. And we have some fancies, we have some cheap, and we have a lot of deals weaving their way through the video. The first one we're going to look at is doing it curbside, meaning you're ordering it through the Walgreens app, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up, and that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. You're hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check to put in your order. If you guys could do me a huge kindness before we dive into the deals, if you could please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. And I know that also a lot of you are having quite a bit of success. Lots of stores have discounted up to 80% off select toys. Not all the toys, but select toys. And these are the toys that have been through last Easter, Halloween, Christmas, and Valentine's. It's a select group, and 80% off for these toys, which is quite the bargain. So if you are in store doing some of these deals and you are looking for some Easter toys, you might want to keep your eyes peeled for these as well. Okay, deal number one, we're doing this one curbside, and if you might have this friend, which is a 5 back when you spend 15, it's a terrific booster to have this week, and not everybody gets one. It's only select cards, so apologies in advance, guys, if you didn't get it, but maybe you'll get a paper booster. Wouldn't that be great? Then you could do this deal in store. Or one of these deals in store. So for this one, we're going to be throwing in 5 of the Walgreens brand toilet papers at $5 a pop. That's $25, and we have a $1.50 coupon attaching to each. So that's $7.50 coming off. Also using the code WAG10, an additional $1.75 off for a grand total of $9.25 melting off. So $25 subtracting $9.25. We are still at that $15 threshold for the spend $15 to earn back $5. So a little bit of tax, you're going to pay $16.70 with your debit card. Then you're getting back $6.25. Not factoring in the tax, it's like $15.75 with the $6 back. It makes it like $1.90 per bag of toilet paper, which is not a bad deal. Not forget, because you're using that booster of spend $15 to earn back $5, the balance, you cannot use any Walgreens cash. You have to use your debit or credit card. Last week or so, lots of paper products are also on clearance, including that little cute 4-pack of the Cottonelle. We have a 2-off-2 that is in fact attaching, and at many stores in my region, they are $3.79. So if you can track down 2 with the 2-off-2, we have a deal. And I know a lot of you are very particular, especially with Cottonelle. So grabbing 2 of them, it's going to be $7.58, and it is a 4-pack, either the blue or the purple one. Subtracting the 2 off 2, it's $5.58 for the 2, or $2.79 per pack. These are supposed to be a 4 equals 16, so you get quite a bit of toilet paper in those packs. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And the puffs and the Kleenex, ask for a price check. Even if they're not marked, you might be surprised what price they're ringing up for. Next deal in store that we're looking at is with the Scott 12-pack. So this week, these are on a buy one, get one 50% off, and it's the toilet paper only. The paper towel is not part of this. Load this friend, which is the 2 off of 2, and this digital coupon appeared last weekend as well. So 2 of them is $7.50. $5 on a buy one, get one 50% off. Subtracting that 2 off 2, you're paying $5.50 for the 2, or $2.75 per pack. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. The next deal that we're looking at in store is with the Angel Soft Quilted Northern or Brawny. Unfortunately, I do not have any digital coupons on my account. It's a $3 reward when you buy 2. If you want to use register rewards, say from Tresemme or Garnier or whatever else you might have in your wallet, use them for this deal so you're not paying a huge out of pocket. But 2 of the Quilted Northern Fancies for $13.98, get back a $3 register reward. It's like $10.98 for the 2, or $5.49 per unit. And if you might have register rewards from other deals, if you like the fancier toilet paper, throw it in so you have a lesser out of pocket. It's okay to use Walgreens cash as well if you're doing the deal with no booster. Final deal that we're looking at, again, we are in store because this one is such a large out of pocket. If you have a booster, pay the balance with your debit card. Use register rewards because this one is hefty. But we have currently a $2 and a $1 for these 9 counts of the Charmin, so that's $3 of manufacturers, but 2 of these is $25.98. Subtracting that 3, you're paying $22.98. Getting back a $5 register reward, making it $17.98 for the 2 or $8.99 per pack of Magic. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but to get a lesser out of pocket, I would throw this into a booster deal, or again, if you have tons of register rewards, start throwing them pew 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 into this deal so you're paying a lot less out of pocket. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Catch you in the next one. Bye.